Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Central Warehousing Corporation. So let's start the video. Friends, Central Warehousing is a mini Ratna company under Government of India. So they have released a couple of vacancy in finance domain. If you see at serial number 3, there is a vacancy for accountant. Here there are total 24 vacancy, out of which 11 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Friends, here your pay grade will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. It's a even grade pay grade, and age as on last date of submission of application, that is on 24th September 2023, it should be 30 years or less than that. So that is, candidate should not have born earlier than 25th September 1993 and not later than 24th September 2005. Both days are inclusive. So that means if you are born on these dates also, then also you are eligible to apply. Then there is another vacancy for Superintendent General. Here there are total 11 vacancy, and for unreserved category there are 10 vacancy. Pay grade is also same and the age requirement is also same, that is 30 years. Only the qualification will differ here, and they have mentioned minimum age to apply for all posts is 18 years. So you should be 18 years and above, then only eligible. And apart from the basic pay, you will be paid other allowances and perks as per the rules of the company. Here they have mentioned the selection process, that is for accountant and superintendent general will be through online test and document verification followed by interview. So first you will have online test and then your document will be verified followed by an interview. So it's a two-step process. Friends, online registration are started from 26th August and it will go till 24th September 2023. So 1 month time is provided by them, and still you have 18 days to apply for this vacancy. You can download the call letter around 10 days before examination, and other details such as on exam date and call letter downloading details will be provided by them at the later date. Now very important, eligibility criteria. So let's discuss that. The first one is education qualification. Friends, you need to have the desired education qualification as on 24th September. That is the last date of online application. So for accountant, you should be either a BCom graduate or BA Commerce or a chartered accountant or a cost accountant, that is CMA or SAS accountant. Along with that, you need to have 3 years of experience in maintaining an audit of accounts, industrial, commercial and departmental undertaking. So here they specifically mentioned that you need to have 3 years of experience. Here they have mentioned even if you are a BCom graduate, you are eligible. You are a CA without BCom graduate, then also you are eligible to apply, or BA Commerce or also eligible to apply. And for Superintendent General, here they have mentioned postgraduate degree in any discipline is eligible to apply and no experience needed here. Now regarding the qualification and all, they have mentioned that the all education qualification mentioned should be from recognized university, board, etc. and candidate appearing in the final year or final semesters are not eligible to apply. And for the post of accountant, experience is of about 3 years shall be treated as a minimum 3 years experience required as on the last date of advertisement. So it should not be that you are having 2.8 years experience, that will not be considered. 3 years experience is required, and they have specifically mentioned articleship experience will not be counted as a requisite experience. Only regular employment experience will be taken into consideration. Even if you are contractual or for a fixed period duration employed, that experience will be counted here. Then there is a age relaxation for reserve category candidate. You can check them in detail. Now online examination structure is also mentioned. So for accountant, there will be total 200 questions of 200 marks and in the 5 different parts. So your first part will be related to reasoning and computer aptitude. It will have 40 questions and having 40 marks, and English language will have 35 questions and each question will have 1 mark. Then data analysis and interpretation and quantitative aptitude, that is basically your maths. Here you will have 40 questions of 40 marks. Then fourth part is related to journal awareness, 20 questions will be asked. And then your part 5 related to professional knowledge, that is your technical syllabus. Here the maximum number of questions are asked, that is 65 questions will be asked and 65 marks will be allotted to this. Medium will be English and Hindi, both languages. And here they have separately mentioned the time allotted for each section. So for reasoning 45 minutes, for English English, 25 minutes for DI and quantitative aptitude, 45 minutes for general awareness, 50 minutes, and for professional knowledge 50 minutes will be provided. So like this, total 3 hours question paper will be there, and this entire paper will be in the MCQ format only. Then for Superintendent General, here you will have question in 4 different parts. There is no professional knowledge as such, so entire exam will be non-technical. Here your reasoning, English, DI and quantitative aptitude and general awareness, 50 questions each from will be asked. So like this, total 200 marks questions will be asked, and the time allotted will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. So you can fill any of this vacancy considering your eligibility. Then syllabus for professional knowledge test is also mentioned, so that's really a good thing. So for syllabus for accountant is as follows, that is your part A will have financial accounting, in which 35 marks questions will be asked, and from the following topics, that is Ind AS questions will be there, accounting process and gap related questions, accounting of income, expense, assets and liability. So these are the basic questions. Preparation of bank reconciliation statement, rectification, entry and disclosure, note in annual accounts, then cash flow statement, format of preparation of final account, then banking operation, transactions and accounting, payroll accounting, nature and functions of cost accounting and method of cost control and cost reductions. So costing topic is added by them in the financial accounting only. So all these questions will be asked from financial accounting, which will have weightage of 35 marks. Then your part B will be of taxation, 20 marks questions will be asked. Here from income tax, basically they will ask the basic concept and various provisions as per the Income Tax Act and the salient features or provisions related to Goods and Service Act. So basic concept related to GST and income tax will be there for 20 marks. Then your part C will be related to auditing, 10 marks or 10 questions will be asked. Here auditing basic concept, company audit, audit report and audit certificates, ledger scrutiny and internal control related questions will be asked from auditing. So all this your professional knowledge syllabus will amounts to 65 marks in your total paper. And friends, for any incorrect question there will be a negative marking to the extent of 1/4. An examination center list is also provided by them in the annexure 1. Almost all the major cities are covered by them. You can check the notification or the annexure in detail. Candidate will be called in the ratio of 1:5. That is, for one vacancy 5 candidate will be called for next round. Here they have mentioned that minimum score to qualify to the professional knowledge section in the online examination, that is in your technical syllabus you need to score minimum 60% marks, then only you will be considered for the next round. Then the second stage will be of interview and document verification. Here your interview will have 100 marks and the minimum marks required in interview is 50% by unreserved category and 45 by OBC and 40 by SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman category candidate. And your weightage of online examination and interview will be 85:15, that is 85% weightage will be given to your online examination and 15% weightage will be given to interview. And friends, selected candidates from accountant or superintendent post need to provide a bond of rupees 25,000 at the time of joining, that you will serve the company for minimum 2 years. Then rest are normal terms and conditions. You can check them in the notification in detail. Now how to apply? They have mentioned that online application, as I already mentioned, started from 26th August and last date is 24th September, and you have to apply through online mode only by visiting the company website. Now application fee, friends, for male candidate belonging to unreserved category, EWS and OBC category need to pay rupees 850 application fee and 400 rupees intimation charges. The total 1,250 is to be paid. And for SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman and women candidate there is no application fee but intimation charges of rupees 400 is to be paid by them. Then procedure to applying online is mentioned. You can check that. So that's all, friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you should definitely give it a try and fill up this vacancy, since it's open for a wide range of candidates from BCom, BA to CA, CMA candidate, and you'll get a good exposure in working in a Mini Ratna PSU company. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.